Hi guys, this is Daddy once again and welcome back sa akin channel. Kung bago ka pa lang, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Click mo na rin yung notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin na videos. Ayan guys, for today's vlog, we will be cooking pork hamonado. Isa sa pinakagusto nating mga Pinoy. Naghahalo yung sweetness and yung saltiness ng meat dito sa ating iluluto ngayon. Kaya for sure, napaka mouth-watering nitong dish na to. Madala ko lang siyang lutuin kasi napakamahal ng pork dito sa Middle East, sa Oman. Kung mabibili mo siya sa Pinas ng 200 per kilo, dito mabibili mo siya ng 700 to 800 pesos per kilo. So, mahal siya. But for the sake na ma-share ko yung recipe sa inyo, syempre naman, hindi ko pa lalambasin to. Tara, huwag na natin palampasin. Let's go!
Heto na ang kumpletong ingredients ng ating recipe for today. Una sa ating listahan is of course ang ating pork ribs. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng tenderloin, hotdogs, onion, garlic, pineapple juice, pineapple chunks, soy sauce, sugar, and lastly, eggs. Gagamit din tayo dito ng salt and pepper guys. Tara, let's start the cooking. First thing to do is i-marinate muna natin ang ating pork ribs with sugar and ang ating pineapple juice. Himas-himasin, lamas-lamasin. Yun o, ang sarap. Joke lang. Set aside muna natin to and let it rest for 15 minutes para mas ma-absorb ng meat ang ating marinade. In a hot pan, add oil. Then we're going to saute garlic and onion. Lulutuin lang natin to until soften guys. Ayan, almost ready na yung garlic and onion. Now we're going to add the pork ribs. Make sure to mix well para evenly distribute lagi yung ating ingredients. Simmer natin to for 10 minutes guys, and then pwede na tayong maglagay ng another ingredients. After about 10 minutes guys, pwede na nating i-add ang hotdogs and yung pineapple juice and sugar na ating pinang-marinate kanina sa ating pork ribs. So, isi-simmer lang natin to for another 5 minutes guys or until mag-boil siya. Alright, now it's already boiling. We can now add the soy sauce. Make sure to mix well para ma-distribute na maayos ang ating ingredients. After mixing guys, we can now add the pineapple chunks. Simmer lang natin to for 10 to 15 minutes or until mag-caramelize yung pineapple. na. Lastly, add eggs and simmer lang natin for 2 minutes. And then, kain na! Of course, mega love shoutout sa ating mga super chatters. Una sa ating listahan is ang ating Asia Songbird, Sophia Suda. Next is our Darna Plantita, E. Kodaira. Ang nag-iisang Ivana Alawi, Rosana Chen. Ang babaeng walang pahinga, Japinay Tomodachi. Ang ating number 1 admin sa Bully, Miles Vlog. Number 1 charming voice, NJ Channel. Ang Lovebirds of Hong Kong, Din Sanay. Lizelle's Kitchen. Zumba Master, The Energetic Lesmoy. Bing Citro. Canada Princess, Trouble with Allen and Levy. Ang ating tattoo artist, Samsky TV. My Loves, Sherry C. Next. And Ma'am Babes Kisan. Thank you very much.